Here we are at elevator number 12 at Hershey Lodge in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We have another ThyssenKrupp traditional. Oh, wow. Those buttons light up red. Much indicator. Get a cab view. Pretty nice cab. Let's close the door. Let's listen to this motor. Traditional fixtures. This thing has like the MT door frame. Oh, some crap up down here. Pretty good leveling. Pretty nice. It's going on one. Watch from the back of the cab. Capacity 2,500 pounds, LD 12. As you can see right here. I'm gonna take it for one more ride. Take a look at the outer button here. Elevator equipment and storage. Wait for it to close. Work up to 2 and end it off. We'll go for one more round trip on this. LED lights. Once the door closed from its track. Looks like window door equipment. Just take it down to 1 and end it off. Let's see indicator one last time. To the motor. Stay around here. Let's watch it go. Let's listen to the motor. Can't really hear it. That's gonna be it.